Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the tear filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so I'm in trending section and the filter is also trending. Remember this image. Okay, this is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, and this is the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for tear. Okay, and on the first row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see tap to try. You can tap there to use the effect likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon. Okay, and now in this page tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, you are in the effect page. Tap on tap to try at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.